What's up guys, tiri natin kan Nopita guys 24. Guys, do my phone, my 28 in digital TV. Guys, you get the password, pin code password niya. Guys, let's check out. Okay, open up. Okay, it's okay. Oh, sorry guys, yung may password guys. Guys, restart natin. This power up. Okay, so turn on this launch and touch screen. Guys, okay, this is boy buttons. I guess we'll just do from my phone. Okay, let's try again. And these the words. I get to my phone with the egg. Oh, okay. Okay, okay. Is this? Oh yes, that's the words of password for this. Hey guys, there it is now. Let's do it on. Yes. There you go. It's just the format. Okay, tingnan mo, naka-format siya guys. Okay, set. Report settings now. Okay guys, so my phone is this is the clock and pin code password. Check out natin guys. Let's see. Okay, password. Welcome back my phone. I guess stop. Okay. I'm sorry guys, I don't remember my friends. Hey guys. Hey, password now. Ay, Google device pala to. Hindi na natin. Sorry guys, yung password. Thanks for watching the video. So next time, Google device. Thanks for watching the more video and peace out.